Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best rounded tip scissors for kids, the LIVINGO 5-inch Small School Student Blunt Kids Craft Scissors. If you're looking for safe, reliable, and easy-to-use scissors for your little ones, this product might just be the perfect fit. Let's explore why. Right from the start, these scissors are designed with safety in mind. They feature blunt stainless steel blades, which means the tips are rounded rather than pointed, reducing the risk of accidental pokes or cuts. This makes them an excellent choice for young children starting to learn how to cut paper and other craft materials. Along with the safety blade design, each pair comes with a plastic protective cover. This sheath keeps the blades covered when not in use, making storage and transportation much safer. The blades themselves are made of extra strong, durable stainless steel that's resistant to rust and wear. Despite the blunt tip, these scissors cut through paper smoothly and efficiently, making craft time less frustrating for kids and parents alike. You'll find that these scissors handle multiple layers of paper, foam, and even poster board with ease, making them quite versatile for all kinds of arts and crafts projects. One of the standout features is the ergonomic design of the handles. They have a comfortable grip with cushioned, textured surfaces on the finger loops, which helps reduce finger fatigue during use. These handles are specifically designed for right-handed use, providing a secure, non-slip hold that makes it easier for kids to control their cutting. The size of the scissors, at 5 inches, is perfect for small hands, giving children the ability to maneuver the scissors confidently and safely. The LIVINGO scissors come in a pack of 3, each in bright, assorted colors like pink, red, and blue. The vibrant colors make them fun and easy for kids to identify their own pair, whether at home or in the classroom. Speaking of classrooms, these scissors are ideal for kids aged 4 and up and can be used in school, office, or home settings. Whether for school projects, scrapbooking, or simple DIY crafts, they serve as a reliable tool for children developing their cutting skills. What's also worth noting is that every product undergoes independent testing to ensure it meets performance standards, so you can trust the quality you're getting. Parents can feel assured that these scissors provide a balance of safety, durability, and comfort. In summary, the LIVINGO 5-inch blunt-tip kids scissors stand out for their safety-first design, sturdy stainless steel blades, ergonomic comfort handles, and multi-purpose functionality. They're an excellent choice if you want to encourage your child's creativity while keeping their hands protected. If you're searching for scissors that combine safety, usability, and fun colors, these might just be the best option available. That wraps up our detailed look at the LIVINGO Small School Student Blunt Kids Craft Scissors. Thanks for watching Product Critique. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you in the next one.